In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust map zoom in Zillow on desktop. If you're browsing homes or rentals on a desktop browser, getting comfortable with the map view makes a huge difference. Zooming in and out helps you see the right level of detail, compare neighborhoods, and focus exactly where you want to search. Once you're on a Zillow search page and the map is visible, start with the built-in zoom controls. On the map itself, you'll see a plus and minus button, usually tucked into one of the corners. Click the plus button to zoom in for a closer, more detailed view of the streets and nearby listings. Click the minus button to zoom out for a broader look at surrounding neighborhoods and nearby areas. Each click moves you one level at a time, so you can fine-tune how much detail you see without jumping too far. Another quick way to adjust the zoom is with your mouse scroll wheel. Make sure your cursor is hovering over the map, then scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. This behaves like most online maps and is great for making fast, small adjustments without moving your hand to the on-screen buttons. If you find the entire page is scrolling instead of the map, just move your pointer back onto the map area and try again. Small, controlled scrolls help you land precisely on the spot you want. As you zoom, you'll notice listings and neighborhood details updating. That's normal. Zillow refreshes results to match what's currently in view. If it takes a second to load, give it a moment, especially after a big zoom change. To explore nearby areas without changing your zoom level, click and hold on the map, then drag it to pan. This lets you move the map left, right, up, or down to recenter the view. Panning is especially useful when you're zoomed in and want to follow a main road, check out the next neighborhood, or keep a specific landmark in the frame. If you overshoot, just drag back in the opposite direction. You can combine panning with zooming at any time, zoom in for detail, pan to reposition, zoom out for context, and repeat until the area on screen matches your search goals. That's all you need to control the map. Use the plus and minus buttons for steady steps. Use your mouse wheel for quick adjustments, and click and drag to move around without changing the zoom. With these simple tools, you'll navigate Zillow's map smoothly and focus your search exactly where it matters.